Mechanical engineering at Lassonde is a very unique program nationwide because the students have from first year that they enter the program get exposed to the design principles on a basic level, and as they go through the program in the years second and third, they enroll in what I call a design spine that starts to escalate and enhance their learning of the design techniques on the solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, and thermal sciences in general. And finally, it culminates in the capstone project that it's a generally detailed project that involves the economics, technical, and sometimes interdisciplinary parts that really prepares the students for their future work.
When we think about the engineering design courses within the curriculum, it actually provides a good opportunity for students to practice or to use what they have learned in different theoretical courses in real-life problems. For example, in the mini design in the second year, they will focus on some simple design related to some machine elements or some mechanisms. So in that case, they can apply their knowledge in solid mechanics. And then in the capstone, basically, it is more like a system level design. And then students will need to look into like how to integrate different concepts from solid mechanics to fluid dynamics to thermal management in order to apply those concepts in the design to create a solution for some industry problem.
So the latest course that we have introduced that combines the AI tools and the generative design is something very forward-looking and I would say unique in Canada, and is only offered in our program. This is where the industry is going. The future of the design is integration of the artificial intelligence generative methods to have better products to aid the creativity and efficiency and also speed and productivity for the engineering products that are going to be made.
Just recently we worked something called energy production, how to harvest, how to generate electricity from renewable sources. So we focus on solar energy. In the future we can also focus on wind and other sources.
A specific example can be a midterm project that we gave the students, that this was about creating a new bracket for a micro accelerometer that is used for airbags deployment. And the idea here was to come up with a bracket that is lighter and stiffer at the same time to allow for more precision measurement of the acceleration if an impact takes place that would deploy the airbag. And the students use the generative techniques that we have taught them to come up with very unique and interesting designs that would make the sensor that would deploy an airbag that much better.
Artificial intelligence is a very important new trend. And what we have been doing in our curriculum is we are trying to add some new components within our courses. In all the design courses, in addition to just learning the CAD software, we are trying to introduce students about the concept of generative design, and also I try to teach them about some new AI-empowered tool in order to facilitate the design process. So in that case, they will be able to bridge themselves to the newest tools in the industry.
In these design courses, always really the questions in a sense that how you really design a project that help your students capture the learning outcome aiming at and the objectives of the course. And within the recent initiative in the mechanical engineering programs, and also modernizing the design spine courses, we're trying also to have a design spine studio. So our students will actually, from many design project 1 and 2, they will collocate or coexist in one room where they can work together as a team and learn from each other.
Thank you for watching. If you have interest to learn more about our program, you're welcome to check our website at Lassonde School of Engineering.